A couple people had asked for this, what I make my antifungal, anti-mold spray out of, and this is a watered down version of my do-it-all mix that I used in the big greenhouse as a preventative, and I usually did that spraying about once a week on Sundays. But this is a really watered down version because I wanted to make sure I didn't damage any of the baby leaves and microgreens as they grew, and I surely didn't want to prevent germination. It seems to be working pretty good. It's quite simple. This is potassium bicarbonate. I believe they use it like in brewing and stuff like that. It's easily available in places online like Amazon. I bought it. It came in a plastic bag, and I put it in this little container to get it easily. So for potassium bicarbonate and 1 liter of a spray bottle, this is a 1 liter spray bottle, 1/2 of a teaspoon of that easily dissolves. The next 3 things I put in, well, 2 of the 3 things I put in droppers that I bought online. I'll show you that. Okay, I bought my drippers on Amazon Prime. Yes, I am a Prime member. And as you can see here, I bought them on December the 18th, 2017. They're glass and they're dark in color to help protect the contents. I paid $5.97 for a pack of 6, free shipping. This is what they look like. Really happy with this purchase. And it's real simple with these. This is oregano. I call it oregano. It's simply a concentrated oregano oil. This is neem. This is cold pressed neem. There's many sources available. I got mine online. So you want a cold pressed organic neem. None of that stuff that removes the azadirachtin, the chemical that I really want. And it's also an oil which helps with a lot of soft-bodied insects. Dawn is simply a measure to allow the different oils and stuff to help them stick, and it helps it mix in the water. For the life of me right now, I can't think of what it's called, but it takes oil and it distributes it throughout the water easily. So you definitely have to have Dawn in there, or the oil would just, float to the top, and it'd be just an oily mess on top. Plus, it'd probably clog the sprayer. So, 1/2 teaspoon, 10 drops of Dawn, 15 drops of neem, and 15 drops of oregano oil. That's simply it. That's all I do. I put them in this container, put the sprayer top on, and shake it up. Now 15 drops is not very much. It takes about 300 drops to make 1 tablespoon, so you can calculate that out yourself. So 1/2 teaspoon, 10 drops, 15 drops, and 15 drops, and that's all I do. I'll put it in there and shake it up. This is a Miracle-Gro spoon, and the small end is a 1/2 teaspoon, and the big end is I think it's a tablespoon. It says it in there, tablespoon. Yep. And yep, it dissolves super easy. Dawn is a little stickier. I think the drops are a little bigger too, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Neem. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. You like the way I'm counting for you? Like you can't count yourself? Let me see if I can go ahead and do this oregano oil. Didn't one. Oregano oil is really strong smelling. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. That's it. I'll put the sprayer top on. I'll spin it on and shake it. Ooh. Probably do that with you right here. Live action. And still can't think of that term where it dissipates within the water. The Dawn causes that. I can't think of that term. But basically it just makes sure that there's no oil at the top. And Dawn also helps things stick. So it's a good thing. But if you use too much Dawn, it does damage the leaves. So when I do the do-it-all mix in the greenhouse, after I put it on there for 30 minutes to an hour, I'll go back and I'll rinse it off. So that's it for the do-it-all. And not the do-it-all, this is the antifungal, anti-mold, I guess, spray that I'm using. It's very, very mild and it seems to work pretty good.